guys, my name is Aranza and I hope you guys are doing well. I know a lot is happening during these times. I know right now in the US a lot is happening, a lot of protests, and so of course I will put resources in the bottom of the description so you guys can help out in any way you can. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So I already went ahead and put on foundation, concealer, you know, the basics. I just didn't want you guys to sit through watching us do that. I mean, like, pretty boring, but you know, saving time. Anyways, so I didn't even explain what we're doing. This video is gonna be about Lady Gaga and Ariana Grande's makeup looks and their new hit single, Rain on Me. By the way, I'm gonna be applying bronzer, so we could be multitasking. Anyways, what I was saying, I'm a fan of both Lady Gaga and Ariana Grande. Ariana Grande, such a talented singer. I think she has such nice vocals. I think she's one of the most talented singers in our generation. And Lady Gaga, I have a special love for her because I remember when she was performing 2012, I think is when I first saw her, and she was just so different, so unique, and she just stood out, and she was like one of the first like celebrities to be open about homosexuality and supporting LGBT community, which I love that. And very unique. She loves to stand out, and I think that's why I love Lady Gaga like the most. No offense to Ariana Grande, I love you girl, but I personally, both of them are so different. It's a different type of love for them. But yeah, I'm so glad Lady Gaga is coming out with new music. I know she came out like in a movie with another guy, I forgot his name. Gotta be snatched for this recreation. I'm using Tarte Park Avenue Princess. This is one of my favorite bronzers. Okay. Now, I think once I do one makeup look, I'm just gonna like redo the eyes. I don't want to redo the face. The face is gonna be the same anyway. And the lips too. They have similar lipsticks. The ones that they were using. Got this in an Ipsy bag, the Good Girl. Now on to the fun part. So obviously they have white liner, it looks like. So first I'm going to be recreating Lady Gaga's makeup look, and it appears that she has like a full white, like a teardrop shape. That's going to be difficult for my eye shape because I have a very hooded eye, so I'm gonna have to like put it more higher than she has it on. So I have like two white liners. This is by Rimmel London. Yeah, this is like a thinner one, and this one is by NYX. It's like a eye pencil. It's like a very thick one, so I don't know. First trace out like the shape of it. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna sharpen it. I pray this goes well. So she has it like from here too. My eye is shaking a lot. Wow. Yeah, look, see, you know, like how I already drew it, but my lid, I have a hooded lid, so like when it goes down, you can't even see the top part, so I'm gonna have to drag it. And then I'm gonna do the other side. Oh my god. Wow, I managed to make it to make this side more pointy than this side. Okay, I'm gonna have to fix that. I'm gonna have to fix that. It's okay, guys. You make mistakes. It happens. I think I've mentioned this before, like I'm such a perfectionist. Like everyone who's close to me knows. My mom makes fun of me for being so like picky. But that's just the way I am. I don't know. I just like want to make things perfect. The sun went down. I think that's like the closest I could get to being perfect or being symmetrical. They're cousins, but they're not sisters. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm gonna be going in with the Morphe and James Charles palette. And I'm gonna be going in with the white color, Flashback. And I'm gonna be filling in the part where it's white what's the word? For it to show up better and for it not to disappear, since this is like a white liner. Okay. So I'm gonna go in with a flat brush. This is from Wet n Wild. And we're gonna be going in with Flashback. And then we're gonna be putting it eyes. Okay, it's looking good. It's looking good. I know it's a little bit, I have to like redefine the edges because it's looking a little bit weird. But it's okay, we're gonna fix it later. Do you see that? Okay, they're not identical, but I am loving this eye. This eye, it's really good. Except this way. It's actually not that bad. It's actually not that bad. Wow. This is turning out better than I expected. Like, they're not even, but I'm satisfied with them. Like, I would actually go out like this. Okay, let's do the lips. Guys, I just opened this and the whatever was inside just flew out. I don't know where it went. What in the world? Well, we're gonna do something else. Let's use this one. So this one is a NYX retractable lip liner in Nectar. Usually don't use liner, but it looks like they have lined lips. Okay. It looks like they have like a nude color. I used this one so many times. I'm trying to see if I can change it up. Okay, we'll go for this one. So this lipstick is MAC in Velvet Teddy. Not exactly the same shade, but that's what you gotta do. Since they have a gloss, I am gonna be going with the lip lacquer in clear. I'm trying to see if I actually want to go ahead and put on lashes. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Let's just be extra. Oh my god, I just found this shimmery shadow. Bro, I could use this. Oh my god, this is amazing. So I found this eyeshadow, and I don't even know what, my mom gave it to me, but it's super iridescent, and it's like in the inner corner. It's so pretty. I wish I could just tell you, but I'm just gonna show it to you. I don't know where it's from. I'm sorry guys. This is amazing. I totally recommend. Wow, it gives it that oomph, that pop up to the eyes. Okay, I was trying to find the lash glue and I can't find it. Finally found it. This is my least favorite part when it comes to makeup. I wonder, you guys, how many times do you use your lashes? Because for me, I use it like 10 times probably. I'm just so cheap like that. I just don't want to like use it like twice and then throw it away, and it's perfectly fine. That's the question of the day, guys. That is the question of the day. Oh my god, guys, I did it. Okay, this is as good as it's gonna get, guys. I'm still struggling to put on lashes, but I'm getting better and better. So this is the final look of Lady Gaga's. I'm trying to make the same expression as her. You ready? I can't do it. She definitely has a different eye shape than me. Like her lid goes all the way up here, but I have a hooded eye, so that's why it looks different. But yeah, this is the recreation of Lady Gaga's makeup. I'm gonna go take some pictures and I'll be right back. Guys, I'm back. So I wiped off all the white residue, all the white, and it's okay if it's still on because we're gonna be doing Ariana Grande's look, and hers is still white, so it's not gonna matter. So for hers, it's the opposite. So hers is just an outline, but nothing in the inside. Meanwhile, Lady Gaga's is like the whole thing is filled. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. Same technique. Oh, she has black liner on her lash line. It's actually a good thing that I did Lady Gaga's look first because of the black liner. So we're gonna start off with the black liner. This is Smolder by MAC. So we're gonna put it in the bottom, the waterline. And I learned this from Jeffree Star. So he uses a sponge to pull his lash line. This looks scary, but you have to be careful. I'm just gonna let my eyes. You see the difference that it makes? Makes it more defined, more intense. Okay. Now, we're gonna go in with the same. I like this one better than this one. I mean, this one I think it's just for the under eye, but I don't even think we used this. So we're gonna continue to use the Rimmel London in Pure White, coming in clutch, and we're gonna do the outline. So I'm gonna do the same thing that I did the one prior, like right here. Like that. Oh, and then below too. Okay. Kind of nervous to do the bottom. It's okay if you mess up because this is very easy to wipe off. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of like an Aztec. You know how they do face paint? It's really beautiful, but this is what it reminds me of. And of course, it's not gonna look the same because then again, they both have different eye shapes than me. That's why it looks different. Okay, I need to sharpen this because you could tell it started to get flat. So I feel like I did this one thicker. Oh shoot. So I think I'm gonna redo it. It might wipe off the concealer, but honestly I don't really care. You know, you could just retouch it. It's gonna connect. And I'm gonna fix it up. She did it. Guys, I'm glad that this look appears way more better on camera than it does in real life. This is kind of freaking me out. I don't like the way it looks on me. It looks way better on her. Oh my god, I look so weird. She looks like a goddess and I look like I'm about to go at war with some other tribe. like an Aztec tribe. Oh my god. You know what? We're just gonna continue. We're just gonna go and continue. There you go. Look at this side. It looks way more like a wing. You know, it's all about, whenever it comes to makeup or anything that you do, it's all about trial and error. You know, good practice. I wouldn't really call myself a professional by any means. I would say I'm what's the word? Intermediate. This side is way more like hers. And then, no Siri, stop. Okay. It's like, you know what I mean? I'm gonna redo it again. Then I'm gonna do finishing touches. I mean, I did what she has on, but I don't think it looks good on me. Okay, we're just gonna continue. And then we're gonna add the same shimmer. And of course you hear racing cars, always. I look so freaky. I don't know. I don't like this makeup on me. It looks good on her, but not on me. It looks weird. I thought I would enjoy this one more, but then like once you try it on yourself, it's just really different. The shimmer. Like it already got on me. I'm not sure, guys, how I feel about this one. Like, You can see the side by side difference. Like, this side is definitely shorter than this side, but we're just gonna roll with it, or else I'm gonna be here all day and you don't want that. So yeah. Oh, you know what we're missing? I was about to end the video, but you know what we're missing? It looks weird because we don't even have like the eyeliner. That's what we're missing. Looks like she has liner. So I'm gonna go in with e.l.f. This is like a gel. We're gonna go in with the brush, e.l.f. Angered eyeliner brush. And this is a little paint pod. And then we're gonna dip in this color black. Pray for me. The lashes are gonna get into the way. I should have thought this through. Okay. Okay. It's not that bad. I don't know how long her wing is. I'm gonna make it subtle because I don't want to go all out. Oh my god, I just poked it in the wrong spot. What do you guys think? I don't know. I think it's still the same. I only put a little bit of liner. So that was the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and tell me what recommendations you would like to see from me. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I just want to say thank you for all the new supporters that I've gained. We're on that way to 1K, and I am truly so grateful. I've met a lot of people on this platform, and it's just been an amazing way to express my creativity, and I just want to thank you for that. Yeah, I hope you guys have a good day and stay safe, and bye.